Kash Patel, President-elect Donald Trump's pick for FBI director, has unveiled a bold and controversial plan to overhaul the nation's premier law enforcement agency. His proposals, which he views as essential reforms, have sparked sharp criticism from legal experts and former officials. Here's a look at 10 key changes Patel aims to implement. Patel has vowed to remove senior FBI leadership, accusing them of political corruption and undermining presidential authority. He argues that such a purge is necessary to restore integrity to the Bureau. One of Patel's more contentious proposals is withholding FBI funding until the agency releases documents and testimony that he claims will expose alleged corruption within its ranks. Patel has suggested legal measures against both government leakers and the journalists who report on classified information, aiming to clamp down on unauthorized disclosures. To combat leaks, Patel proposes mandatory monthly scannings of federal employees' devices to ensure no classified information is improperly transferred. Patel wants to replace senior staff, particularly in national security roles, with individuals he believes align with the president's agenda, arguing that this will restore focus on government priorities. He has recommended shutting down the iconic J. Edgar Hoover building in Washington, D.C. and repurposing it as a museum, with FBI staff moved to regional offices across the country. Patel envisions a more field-oriented FBI, with staff dispersed across smaller offices rather than concentrated in Washington, D.C. to improve operational efficiency. Patel advocates for reducing job protections for federal employees, making it easier to fire career staff and replace them with appointees who support the administration. In line with Trump's criticism of the press, Patel has proposed taking legal action against journalists and media outlets that he claims defame him or undermine conservative values. Patel's plan could include using the FBI to investigate Trump's political adversaries, with inquiries potentially launched under legal pretenses but with political motivations. Kash Patel's sweeping reforms have set the stage for a fierce debate over the future of the FBI. While he argues that these changes are essential for restoring accountability, critics warn they could erode civil liberties and politicize the agency. As Patel's vision moves closer to reality, the discussion about its implications will only intensify.